हेलो दोस्तों, यहाँ पर आप देख रहे हैं डॉक्टर विपिन कुमार को और आज जिन शख्स से मैं आपको मिलवाने वाला हूँ वो हैं मिस्टर नीलकांत राज रोसी, जिन्होंने ऑल इंडिया सिक्योर किया थर्ड रैंक इन इंटोमोलॉजी एंड नीमेटोलॉजी का जो ICAR-GRF का 2020 का एग्ज़ाम था। और इन्होंने जो बीएससी एग्रीकल्चर किया वो है प्रोफेसर जयशंकर तेलंगाना जो यूनिवर्सिटी हैदराबाद की है, वहाँ से इन्होंने बीएससी एग्रीकल्चर किया। और अभी राइट नाउ ये जो IRI में MSc में इनका एडमिशन मिल चुका है। तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कंग्रेचुलेशन नीलकांत फॉर योर ग्रेट अचीवमेंट। और इनको इस चैनल से कैसे हेल्प मिला और किस तरह से इन्होंने सिक्योर किया रैंक, इस तरह से आप भी कर सकते हो। और बहुत से टॉपर्स के जो वीडियोस हैं, प्रीवियस जो टॉपर्स हैं, सीनियर्स और सुपर सीनियर्स, उनके जो वीडियोस हैं डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दिए हुए हैं, आप जाकर वहाँ पर देख सकते हो। टेस्ट सीरीज अवेलेबल है, वो भी देख सकते हो। रेफरेंस बुक्स हैं, ये सब आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएगा वहाँ पर जाके। और इसको अपने तक ही मत सीमित रखिएगा, अपने दोस्तों में भी शेयर कीजिएगा। तो चलिए अब आपको हम मिलाते हैं नीलकांत जी से। He will share his strategy how he cracked the exam. So welcome Nilakant.
Hello everyone. Good afternoon, sir. Bipin sir. Good afternoon. And I'm thankful to you, sir. Firstly, because when I wanted to start preparation of entomology, I used to see the videos that you have taken from my seniors and they are super seniors, and they have helped me in order to start the preparation of entomology for this JRF exam. Sir, firstly, my introduction is that I'm Neelakanta Rajarushi from Andhra Pradesh, and I have studied in Professor Jayashankar Telangana State Agricultural University and in the College of Agriculture Jagityal. So I have prepared for the I have prepared for the entomology and hematology subject, and I have secured All India rank 3, and in the category of EWS I have secured rank 1, sir. And presently now I got admission in IRI New Delhi. And what is the right time to start? Sir, I want to tell that juniors, the most important thing is that the most right time to start is nothing but the raw web stage is the right time, because the 7th and 8th semesters you'll have you'll have more time for preparation when you compare to the other semesters. So the right times to start is the raw web and this ALP experimental learning time, because in that time you'll be a little bit free when compared to other sims, so that you can adjust your time in the raw web up to 3 to 4 hours, and in experimental learning up to 6 to 8 hours. So you can spend this time for the preparation of your JRF, and you definitely can crack this examination. So reference books, when comes to reference books, sir, I have referred some of the most important reference books, sir. Those are nothing but mostly everyone will be preparing these books only. Those are nothing but this Insecta. See, I like to show you those books also. So this is this is Insecta book. Okay, this is Insecta, and this is same applied entomology by the same authors, both by TNA authors only, Raghumoorthy and Srinivasan authors. Both Insecta 1 and 2, they'll covers almost every aspect of this, every aspect that is required for this JRF in the basic way, so that most of the questions in JRF can be answered through by studying these books in a perfect manner. And also I have studied for the DS Reddy, sir. Applied Entomology by DS Reddy. This is the book, Applied Entomology by DS Reddy, and this is also one of the most important book, mostly for this pest part. And this pest part and the toxicology part, it is one of the most important book, and you should not avoid for reading this book, sir. And also this entomology treatise, and entomology treatise is written by TV Prasad, and is also one of the most important book. In this book, all the previously which has come in the previous examinations, these can be, you can see the bits, and also some tables which are see like these. Some tables will be there which are important, very important and useful for the students who are preparing for JRF exam. And for the objective part, I have done this book like Entomology and Nematology by Sai Prasad, and also Objective Entomology by same authors, TV Prasad also. So these objective book, and also some I have done some mock tests which are conducted by TNAU professors. and also Agri Quiz. In Agri Quiz, I used to do the mock test and Agri Gyan apps, and I used to do those mock tests, which helped me a lot during my examination preparation. And they used to take off some pressure by relieving some pressure. And also one of the most important book that we should not avoid is this insector refresher. It is also one of the most important book that you have to prepare for this examination. And these books are only for nematology preparation. And when we come to for nematology, we have some other books like most important introductory nematology by Bajaj and Walia. And also for objective part, we have to go for Upadhyaya, nematology, introductory nematology by Upadhyaya book. I don't have a book that, but I have this Bajaj and Walia, this book, Bajaj and Walia. And nematology refresher is also one of the most important book, and this is recently has come to the market. That is very interesting book, and it is you have to every aspirant who is preparing for entomology and nematology has to read that book. You can cover whole nematology, and you can expect minimum or almost not minimum, almost every question from that nematology refresher only in the main JRF paper. And for general agriculture, you have to study Nimra Sundar, one of the most important book, and every JRF aspirant will prepare that book. And it is also in the same way, it is also very important book, and especially for entomology, soil science, agronomy, and also statistics. You have to give importance because these questions, and also physiology and breeding, you will see most of these questions, most of these subject bits only will be appearing in the examination in entomology paper. And the next part is strategies how I prepared. Sir, firstly I have divided by subject, sir, in the how basic parts, applied parts, and the toxicology. But so likewise, I have divided those parts with the help of my seniors, who is pursuing her masters at IRA. She used to help me, sir, and also she used to help me. I have divided the subject into different basic part and applied part, and also the toxicology and beneficial part. So I have taken these reference books, and I have completed monthly wise. So one book I will take for example, if I take an insect, I used to read for 1 month, whole one month I used to read that, and I make some notes out of it, and I used to prepare some bits out of it. So I used to revise mostly. I used to revise those books, which helped me a lot during my later days of preparation when my exam is near. And also, most important, you have to take the guidance of your seniors. Definitely, that will be favoring you, because they know how the exam pattern was, how they handled it. So they'll give some tips which will be helpful to you also for the preparation. And I request my juniors are who are seeing this video, take the help of your seniors, who with your concerned seniors of your seniors or super senior who cracked this exam, or who prepared also. They will be helpful, because they know what I mean, whether they are successful or not. They'll definitely help you, because if they are successful, they'll tell you that the tips that they have used. And even if if they fail you, they'll tell you I mean, why they have lost it, and what are the reasons. They'll give the reasons, so that you can avoid those mistakes also, so that you will be successful. You will be successful by taking the guidance from your seniors. And myself, I have attempted out of 120 questions, I have attempted 114 questions, in which 107 has been correct, and I have secured 425 marks out of 480. So I have secured all India third rank, and in the category of EWS I have secured rank 1. So special message to the juniors. The only message that I can give is to the juniors is, you must feel that your subject. If you want to get the JRF seat, you must feel that your subject is yours, and you have to love the subject. Definitely, you are going to you definitely are going to crack it. That is no worry. But you have to keep in mind that you have to read regularly. This is entomology and nematology, so mostly scientific names, toxicology, you will have the trade names, and most of the things. This memory part will be there, so you have to definitely, and you have to remember this, that you have to revise every day. You have to touch the book every day, every day. Even if you take a week gap, and you will be forgetting most of the things. So you have to be connected with the subject matter every day. You have, if in order to get that JRF, I think mostly the RAVEP on the seventh semester and the eighth semester, you have to spend for this. Definitely, you are going to get. So all the best for your all the best, juniors. Next year, I definitely wish you to, who are seeing this video, I definitely wish you to get this to crack this JRF examination in the Department of Entomology and Nematology. And I thank Bipin sir for this wonderful opportunity. And also, I could like to thank my seniors who guided me, like Komal madam, Bhavana madam, Pasa sir, and my professors, Srinivas Naik sir, Vanishri madam, Upender sir. I thank you, and thank my parents and also my classmates for helping me during this my preparation. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir.